Hey guys, in this video we will make an interesting lower third animation in KineMaster. You can use this lower third for your YouTube videos and they are going to look much more engaging and professional. We will do the basic designing part in Pixellab followed by some animation in KineMaster. So here in Pixellab we'll add some shape layers, we'll add some logo, we'll make our text, we'll make the username look good. So all these basic things will be done in Pixellab. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Just follow the steps and you can do it yourself. Okay, so as you guys know, KineMaster has launched 5.0, its new update. So let me just select 6.5 here because I want the video length to be 6.5, or you can manually go and trim it later to 6.5 or 7 seconds as per your need. So let me first add a black background to this, and then from the gallery I will add the files that I have saved from Pixellab. I will place a key mark at 0.500. And then at 0.00 I will decrease the size and rotate it slightly. Then add an in animation to it, enter slide left and set the animation speed to 1 second. Then at 0.700 I will add the next file which I have, and then I will add an in animation to it. Most probably the pop up or pop down will look good here, but again you can try out different animations to find out which animation looks good to you. You are basically free to try out different things. Give some time to this and you will come up with a better idea. Okay, so take your time and adjust all the things properly, and once you are done with all the things, move to 5 seconds and add the next image from Pixellab. Now using this image, we'll do something similar to masking. So place a key at 5 second and place the second key at 5.5 second. At 5.5 second, move the layer towards the left, towards the right, to hide the background layer, which is the username layer and the Instagram text layer. So basically we will use this green image to hide the background layer at 5.5 second. Now in between I will add two more keys, like at 5.2 and 5.3. so these keys are basically to add a small animation change, or you can say a small animation curve to the overall animation. So at 5.2 I will slightly drag the layer behind, backward, and then at 5.3 I will slightly move the layer forward. So in this way there will be a slight animation curve or something similar to animation curve in the overall animation. Then bring the logo layer, in this case the Instagram logo layer front. Then select the background black layer and change the color to green color, and then select the logo layer once again, and we will animate this layer now. So add a key point at 5.1 and another key point at 5.6. At 5.6, move the layer towards the right to kind of bring it at the center of the video, and then we'll add some keys in between to add a slight animation curve thing as we did in the last layer. So you know what to do here, so just do these things and it will be done. So once you're done all these things, simply export the video in a good quality. Okay, so after exporting you can add this video on top of any other video. For example, this is my main video, and let me just quickly add the video from gallery. Okay, so here is the video clip, the animation video, and simply turn on the chroma key and you're good to go. You'll get a transparent animation which you can apply over any other video. Adjust the size, or you can also go to the adjustment settings to play with the hue to bring out a different color variation of the same animation. So in this way you can make a very interesting lower third animation in KineMaster. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have learned something new from this video, then make sure to drop a like and comment down what videos you want to see next. Share the video with your friends to help them how to make a professional lower third just using Pixel App and KineMaster. So with that being said, I will see you again in my next video. Till then, stay safe and keep creating.